This is day 192, and today we are looking at how to show values on a chart even if the cells are hidden. So a lot of times people struggle if you hide cells within a chart. Your data point will also disappear. So I've hidden from April and May. So you can see also my chart is only showing March, then it skips April and May because it's hidden. But when I unhide it, it again starts showing on my graph. And if I hide this whole data set here, you can see my chart shows nothing here. So it's quite a problem because sometimes when you want to share a report, you don't want to share or to show the data, you want to hide it. You just want to show the graphs that you have in your workbook. But the moment you hide something, then it completely disappears or your chart value disappears. How can you make them visible even if the cells are hidden? So to do that, you would want to you select your chart first, then you go to chart design and select data. Under select data, you'll see that there is a pop-up here which says hidden, or there is a tab which says hidden and empty cells. You click here, and on the pop-up here, you click show data in hidden rows and columns. Then you say, okay, just make sure it's checked. Then you say, okay. Then you say, okay again. So if now I hide the data here, you'll see my chart will still be visible. So my chart doesn't disappear. Or even if I hide April and May, you'll see April and May is still showing on my graph here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and also hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.